In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dashboard on Jira. This powerful project management tool is essential for organizing, tracking, and managing your projects efficiently. A well-designed dashboard can give you instant access to critical data, making your workday smoother and more productive. Let's dive right in and set up a customized dashboard that caters specifically to your needs. First, let's navigate to the heart of Jira's interface. Start by going to Your Work in Jira. This page is your gateway to everything you're currently involved in within Jira. It's the starting block for creating something new, like our dashboard. With your work open, you'll notice a selection of navigation options. Here you want to click on Dashboards. This section is where all your dashboards are housed and where you'll be able to create a new one. Imagine dashboards as your personal command center in Jira, where you can have at a glance insights that matter the most to you. Now that we're in the Dashboard section, look for and click on the Create Dashboard button. This action initiates the process of crafting a new dashboard from scratch. Think of this as laying down the foundation for your custom control panel. The next step is naming your dashboard. Choose a name that is both meaningful and easily recognizable. This name will help you quickly identify the correct dashboard among others if you have or will have multiple ones. The name you pick is crucial for ease of access and organization, especially when you work on various projects. Optionally, you can also add a description to your dashboard. This is particularly helpful if you're sharing the dashboard with team members. A clear description can provide context about the dashboard's purpose, what it tracks, and who it's intended for. Providing this extra bit of information can enhance collaboration within your team. Once you're satisfied with the name and description, click on Save to finalize the creation of your new dashboard. You've now officially set up a space where you can add widgets and information relevant to your projects. Next, within your newly created dashboard, it's time to add some content. Begin by typing Sprint in the Add Gadget search bar. We're looking to include gadgets that offer insights into your current sprint, such as days remaining, sprint burndown charts, and sprint health. First, add the days remaining gadget. This tool is incredibly useful for keeping track of how much time is left in your current sprint. It adds urgency and helps with time management, ensuring your team is on track to meet deadlines. Following that, include the sprint burndown gadget. This visual tool is critical for observing how your team is progressing against the work planned for the sprint. It offers a clear picture of any potential risks or delays, allowing for quick adjustments to keep the sprint on course. Similarly, add the Sprint Health gadget. This gadget provides a quick overview of the current status of your sprints, including completed tasks, tasks in progress, and any potential blockers. It's an excellent way to monitor the pulse of your project, ensuring everything moves smoothly. After adding these three crucial gadgets, make sure to save each one to ensure they're properly placed on your dashboard. This action solidifies your dashboard structure and ensures the gadgets are ready for use. Finally, to wrap up your dashboard setup, click on Done. This last step solidifies all your changes and additions, officially completing your customized dashboard on Jira. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a dashboard in Jira, tailored specifically to track and manage your projects more effectively. Remember, your dashboard can be customized and adjusted as needed. Feel free to explore and add other gadgets that could provide even more insights into your projects. In summary, a well-organized dashboard is your best ally in project management. It helps keep everything in check, from monitoring sprint progress to ensuring tasks are completed on time. With your new dashboard, you're now equipped to tackle your projects with greater visibility and control. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make a dashboard on Jira. Dive in, explore, and take full advantage of what Jira dashboards can offer. Happy project managing!